everyone, and a beautiful weekend to you. Fear and uncertainty have gripped students living off campus in Ogun State after armed gunmen stormed a private hostel and abducted an unspecified number of people during a late-night attack. The incident has triggered a massive security operation, with police deploying tactical teams, intelligence officers, and bushcombing units in an effort to rescue the victims and track down those responsible. While panic spread rapidly across social media, authorities have urged the public to avoid speculation, insisting that investigations are still ongoing to determine exactly how many people were taken. The attack occurred on Wednesday night at a private hostel located along Paraga Road in Ikwara, an area where many students of Gateway ICT Polytechnic, Sapade, reside outside the school's main campus. The incident immediately generated concern among students, parents, and residents, with several conflicting reports circulating online regarding the number of people allegedly abducted. In response to the growing speculation, the Students' Union Government of Gateway ICT Polytechnic released an official statement to clarify the situation. The statement, signed by the union's president, Timothy Akimpelu, and Public Relations Officer Matthew Francis, stressed that the attack did not occur inside the Polytechnic campus. Instead, the gunmen reportedly targeted a privately owned hostel situated away from the institution's premises. According to the Students' Union, the attackers struck at approximately 7:45 p.m. The hostel, they explain, is located in an isolated area, making it difficult for nearby residents to respond quickly after the gunmen arrived. Witnesses reportedly heard several gunshots during the attack, creating widespread panic among students living in the surrounding neighborhood. Despite the heavy gunfire, the Students' Union said there were no reported fatalities during the incident. However, they confirmed that several people were abducted by the attackers before they fled the area. At the same time, the union cautioned against relying on figures circulating on social media, explaining that the exact number of victims had not yet been officially verified. In its statement, the Students' Union appealed to parents, guardians, and members of the public to remain calm while security agencies continue their investigations. They warned that exaggerated reports and unverified claims could unnecessarily increase fear within the school community. According to the union, although the abduction is real and deeply concerning, many of the stories being shared online do not accurately reflect the available facts. The union also advised students seeking accommodation to prioritize hostels located in secure and well-populated areas rather than isolated buildings that may be more vulnerable to criminal attacks. Student leaders noted that location remains an important factor in personal safety, particularly given the increasing security concerns affecting several parts of the country. Confirming the incident, the Ogun State Police Command announced that it had immediately launched a coordinated rescue operation after receiving a distress call. Police Public Relations Officer CSP Omolola Odutola stated that tactical teams and intelligence assets were quickly deployed to the affected area to begin search operations aimed at locating the victims and apprehending the kidnappers. According to the police, security personnel are currently carrying out extensive bushcombing operations alongside other tactical activities designed to track the movement of the abductors. Such operations often involve searching forests, footpaths, and remote routes that criminal gangs frequently use after carrying out kidnappings. The police also confirmed that investigators are still working to establish the precise number of people abducted during the attack. Officials explained that because verification is still underway, it would be inappropriate to confirm figures circulating online until all affected individuals have been properly accounted for. Authorities, therefore, urge the public to rely only on verified information released through official channels. The latest incident has once again raised concerns about the security of students living outside school campuses. Across Nigeria, many tertiary institutions rely heavily on private hostels because available on-campus accommodation is often insufficient to meet student demand. While these hostels provide affordable housing, some are located in isolated communities with limited security infrastructure, making them more vulnerable to attacks by criminal groups. Kidnapping has remained one of Nigeria's most serious security challenges in recent years. Criminal gangs have increasingly targeted highways, rural communities, educational institutions, and residential areas, often demanding ransom payments in exchange for the release of victims. These attacks have prompted security agencies to expand intelligence gathering, increase patrols, and strengthen rapid response operations in vulnerable locations. The incident also brings back memories of an earlier operation carried out in the same general area. In April 2026, the Ogun State Police Command successfully rescued 5 abducted students after armed criminals attacked another location in Sapadi. That rescue operation demonstrated the importance of rapid security deployment and coordinated intelligence in locating kidnapping victims before they could be moved far from the crime scene. As investigations continue, police say every available resources is being deployed to ensure the safe rescue of those abducted and the arrest of everyone involved in the attack. Detectives are expected to interview witnesses, analyze intelligence gathered from the scene, and coordinate with other security agencies as the search continues. For students and parents, the priority remains the safe return of those taken during Wednesday night's attack. The incident has once again highlighted the importance of improving security around off-campus student accommodation while strengthening cooperation between educational institutions, hostel operators, local communities, and law enforcement agencies. Until the victims are safely rescued, anxiety is likely to remain high across the Gateway ICT Polytechnic community, with many hoping that the ongoing police operation will bring a swift and successful outcome. For more updates, stay with us on News Express. I am Cassie Tony.